2016 runner-up Shanika Knight was crowned ladies champion at the Levi-Cheek Swept Away Clay Court Tennis Championship at the Swept Away Courts in Negril. The men's final, which was won by Mackay Malcolm, didn't live up to expectation.
It was number 1 seed and national representative Pauline Hilton going up against the 3rd seed Shanika Knight in the women's final for the $95,000 winner's prize. Hilton wasted little time in making her presence felt as she raced into a 4-1 lead in the first set. But what happened later was unthinkable. At the 13-love in the 6th game, things fell apart for Hilton as Knight fought back to gain a stranglehold and didn't look back as she took the set 6-4. And it's like day became night in the second set as Hilton struggled to keep up with the Florida-based player who took the set 6-2 to wrap up the match and her first success at the tournament.
4-1 down, I just decided to say I'm not going to lose. And I lost the nerves, start moving more, start hitting the ball more, and I came back. Second set, I definitely had more confidence and I was up a set, so I was more relaxed. And I just did my thing.
I started playing her tennis as to my tennis, and then it threw me off, and from that she started winning and then win the set.
The men's final was like a damn squib as Mackay Malcolm took the title ahead of Richard Meikle. A 3-hour duel in the semi-final the previous night against Marcus Malcolm, Mackay's brother, left Meikle suffering with cramps. The match ended after 3 games in the second set as Meikle threw in the towel, this after losing the first set 6-love. It was Mackay's first success at the tournament, which earned him $250,000.
I always want to win this tournament. I mean, all praises to Jeremy, and I mean, he's injured. I never wanted to win this way by a retire match, but I mean, it is what it is. I was prepared for this match, and you know, well, if that's what the case is, I have to take it.
I'm very disappointed, but hopefully next year I could be in better shape and stuff like that.
Tournament director Lockett McGregor was pleased with how things turned out after a 2-year pandemic break.
I think we had some very good tennis, some very competitive tennis, and the players really put it all out there. They were looking forward to this tournament. It's the only tournament on clay, and they are looking forward to it every year, and I'm sure they had a great time.
Dwayne Pagan was the men's Pro 35 winner after a straight set win over Yusuf Migoko. Richard Dina did likewise in the men's 35 amateur over Fred Redpath. Maureen Williams was the women's amateur winner, while the pair of Stefan Rumble and Ricardo Distant were the Pro-Am doubles winner. Denise Walters for TVJ Sports.